Hi, this is AI art generator for beginners. This is the easiest AI art generator ever, and it's free. It is Mage.Space. So I do videos in real time so my aunt and my mom can do it along with me, and others that are maybe we're older or our hands have arthritis or injuries, or we just don't want to like click the video 10 times to understand what the person is saying. We want to be able to participate along with the person talking. So you go into Mage.Space, and an interesting thing, Mage means wizard, sorcerer, voodoo, witch. So basically, that's just the name of it, M-A-G-E dot space. So, and that's it. And then you just log in with an email, and you create a password, and then you verify your email. And it's so simple. Look, create anything. There you go. It's prompted you, and you just type whatever you want. I'm making this a little faster. So illustrate a cute teddy bear animal reading a book in his playhouse. I am an author of published books. I write them by a human, and I pay for an artist that's a real human. But it is helpful to tell my artist what I like. So press the orange arrow, and it is easy as that. Now, while it's thinking and generating the art, I'll show you the profile. I already opened it up in this website. So here you go. Profile. You can change your name. And it has all of my creations, characters for, I made my list, characters for a book. You can like stuff, you can bookmark stuff, you can make it public or you can make it private. See if you want to make it my characters for books, I'm going to make it, usually you can change it, yeah, private to private. So, and then the next step is, to go, I want to show you some of the artwork that you can use and some of the different various functions. So everybody wants your money. Everyone wants you to subscribe. Everyone wants you to upgrade. So if you upgrade, you can use like photorealism. You got to upgrade anime. You got to upgrade to make anime characters. So it lets you use the basic functions. And then if you want to do anime, you got to upgrade to pro to get that. Celebrity, you got to join the Discord, exclusive, in painting. See, there's some stuff that's available. And if you want to do that, you click on it, and then you can use that different type of artwork. But most do, there's 3D, but you got to upgrade to pro. So most of them want you to upgrade to pro to be able to use these different types of settings. So everyone wants your money, which is, you know, so that's why I say practice first before you're ready to take the plunge, and then explore anything. You can explore what other people have done, like and follow people. Look at all the stuff they've created. They've used anime, characters, landscape, cyberpunk, space, paintings, pop art, cubism, architecture, interior design. You can search for anything. And this is all the stuff that people have done. If you like anything, you can just go, oh, well, how did they do that? Like, how did they get this beautiful picture of this, say, like this realistic world? So what you would do is you would just copyright this prompt, but the model they use is Stable Diffusion. So we don't have that. That's an upgraded plan. But if you did have it, you would just copy this prompt right here by just clicking on it. And you would go back to the beginning page, which is just one easy page. Oh, look, it generated this and it made some kind of writing on it. It didn't ask for writing, but it gave some kind of title to this book. So there's a bear. And this one I like because normally it has both of its paws, both of its ears, both of its feet. And it made it a nice realistic thing. But it's only like blue and orange all the time. Blue and orange, blue and orange, blue and orange. So that's why you need, in my opinion, a real artist to do it. I don't want this color, but it gives her enough idea what to do. I don't like this white right here. I would tell her to change that. I would tell her to make the face more rounder, the bear a little bit smaller. I wouldn't have this on there because, my book is not. But you can enhance this button right here. You can rerun it. You can remix it, or you can reimage it. You can make it private. You can delete it. And there's all these sizes you can do. And just simply download if you like it. If you like, can you remix this, and remixing it, and then once again you just hit the arrow and it will generate. So that's super easy. That's it. It's free. If you want any of those other other model types, like if you want anime, you want oil painting or watercolor or whatever it was, you got to upgrade. So while it's generating, let's see, there's not a lot of stuff. You can follow people. You can, and you know, it's nice that you see other artists on here. So it's definitely can help people that are home alone, want a hobby, want to create some artwork for a book, or say you want to sell mugs online. You can create an image for your mug. It did exact same thing, but maybe a little bit different, a tiny difference. I don't see hardly anything. So let's do something else. For example, somebody says like, well, okay, I own a business, art of pizza. I did pizza before, but we'll do it again. Pizza, art of pizza pie in a store. So let's just see what it will do. You hit the arrow. It's that easy because say you're starting a pizza business or a cafe and one of your main ingredients is a pizza and you want to put that in your menu and you need pizza for your menu. So it's generating. Remember, I'm just doing the free one. You can select models here, but I just have the free model. You can clear it, you can cancel it, and they have this new animate feature, but you have to upgrade to Pro to get that. So there you go. Look how fast that was. It wasn't so it was pretty fast, right? And this is free. Ah, it made my bear a pizza. Oh, so it was it made my bear eat pizza and turn my bear into a pizza. His hands got pepperoni on it. Looks like there's an egg right there. So it's not perfected yet. So it's funny. That's why I highly suggest you practice before you you start paying for subscription. Because if you haven't practiced, you're going to pay for subscription. And steps, you can do low, guidance scale, the seed. That means the image of, if you want to change the seed is like the number of that picture. If you want a new picture, it'll give you a new number, which means seed. Refiner models, refine, off. So refiner strength. Negative prompts means things you don't want, like I don't want a hat on his head. I don't want him large. I don't want him fat. I don't want him make all of his limbs on there. So you can put negative prompts and easy mode negative prompts. So there's a lot of buttons. Scheduler and privacy. Create privately. You could move that there. Use Kara Sigma. So it gets a little advanced, but it's basically just type. And so when you want something new, you clear it. So I guess we have to do that. We clear it. And let's see. What about a portrait? Is that free? Yeah. A coffee cup on a table in a cafe, because we are building a cafe brand and we want to open up a cafe business, and we want to show our customers and our advertising that we have coffee on the table already. We don't have to pay a model. So just, it's thinking, it's designing, it goes around and around, so you know it's working on it. If you don't see this, then you know, like, you probably have to redo it. Remember the animate, I'll show you that in a second. It's an upgrade. This is the upgrade button. Okay, and there you go. Look at that. So normally you would have to pay a photographer, rent out the location, and do the lighting and everything. So there you go. You can use this nice picture to start your new coffee shop that you're opening up. Invite me, give me a discount, give me a discount code for everyone. And then that's it. So let's see. Oh, I'd like to animate it. So this feature, see how this girl's moving around? It would animate whatever you drew to make it look real. I think that's really cute, cool. I would love that option. So I would want to learn first. You can view examples of this, animate examples. So I'll do this real quick and then we're gonna end this video because this is the free one, but you got to upgrade to use some of their other plans that you want. See, there's people moving. If you put a picture of your child, or want to say happy birthday mom, or happy Mother's Day, or happy Father's Day, or happy whatever the pronouns are, birth mother, I'm older generation, so it can be black and white, can be colorful. Anime, you can make anime. It moves your pictures like video animation. So I think they're all, so isn't it cool? So it's so easy. I want to make this video super short for you. That's it. And you just go back to hit Mage.Space. I just clicked on it. So you just click on that anywhere. It doesn't have a click button. You just click on it. And then remember, you got to clear it, or else, like, remember it added pizza to my thing. A toy train with a cute face, because I have Chug Chug Charlie from the Enchanting Book Readings podcast. Toy train with a cute face on a yellow track. And I want it, let's try portrait. I haven't done portrait. And then there you go, voila. So I'm showing you this. So just, I'll do this. This is the last one. So see how it's easy? You just type whatever you want, give it specific directions. If you want illustration, anime, 3D, 2D, comic book, cinema, portrait, oil painting, landscaping, and that's pretty much it. Mage.Space. Sign up with your email, verify your email, and then you're done. There you go. It made a little train face like that. That's kind of cute. And I can give this to my artist because I'm making Chug Chug Charlie so the kids can see it. And he drives a simple yellow track. That's kind of cute. And then I can download it here. That's it. Thank you for stopping by, everybody. And Grumpy Santa, The Santa Chronicles is coming this Christmas by Sir But Snickies at Amazon Books. Please support us by liking, subscribing, sharing, and buying some of our books. Cheers.